Hi everyone! So today I have another fun surprise for you. I have another guest on my channel and I'm just gonna jump right into it and let them introduce themselves. So welcome to my channel!
Moi! My name is Karim and I am one of the three guys in Almost Finns. We have a comedy channel where we talk about Finland, Finnish people and our experiences in Finland. We speak Finnish and we have subtitles in English, Spanish, Arabic and Finnish. My favorite word in Finnish is hyggeile. It means to stay at home relaxed with a nice atmosphere, making the most of the time when you only feel like staying in. I like this word because during the dark times it is one of the best things you can do, or the only thing you can do. There's nothing you can do outside, it is too cold, dark and cold, very cold.
And the second reason why you like it?
There's no other reason. That's the only one.
We're supposed to say 3 reasons.
3? Who likes a Finnish word that much? Okay, so the second reason is that I like the way it sounds. Hyggeile. And the third is...
Well, we need to finish this soon. Kat has to continue with the video.
The third reason is that it allows you to do it with your friends, like Eric and Dauda.
What?
Take it easy, Karim.
We're not friends yet. We met each other just 3 years ago.
Of course, I know that getting new friend takes much more time, like 30 to 40 years. But I had to say something as a third reason.
Ah, that makes more sense.
It was really scary. Friends in Finland? Can you imagine?
Oh, thank you Karim and the rest of the Almost Finns guys for that awesome clip. That was so funny. I loved it so much. So if you guys want to check out more videos from the guys from Almost Finns, do head over to their YouTube channel. I'll link it in the description box down below. As they said, they make videos in Finnish with both Finnish and English subtitles, so you guys can practice listening to Finnish, and honestly, their skits are so funny because they're really relatable, and if you visited Finland, especially if you've come to live here, it's hilarious because it's so accurate and relatable. I've been subscribed to them for years and it's just so... Their stuff is so funny. It's great. I can't say enough good things about them. So do go check out their channel. And circling back to the word that Karim introduced to us, the word he mentioned is hyggeile. So hygge is a Danish, I guess kind of Norwegian trendy word that you've probably come across in the past few years. So what has happened here is Finland has taken the word hygge, so the Danish word, and kind of Finnishized it, made it like a Finnish version so that we can conjugate it to fit Finnish sentences. So for example, some sentences could be like hyggeile kotona, hygge at home. You can say hyggeile huoletta, like hygge without worry. Another related word I found while I was kind of scrolling online doing a bit of research was hyggehetkiä. Hetkiä is moments, so hygge moments. Now this is a slang word, so you're not going to find a lot of official conjugation forms online. Actually, I found 0. So all of this is just based on my intuition of how Finnish words conjugate. Therefore, I did think it could be helpful just for me to quickly go over some basic conjugations, just so that you can use this word in a Finnish way, just because, yeah, there's no material about it online. So the basic form, I think, would be hyggeily. Hyggeily would be the base form. So in its basic present tense form, it would be hyggeily. And then moving on, we'll just go through all the pronouns in the present tense. I would say, this is again puhekieli. Mä hyggeilen, sä hyggeilet, hän hyggeilee, me hyggeillään, te hyggeilette, ne hyggeilee. So an example sentence would be me hyggeillään kotona. We are doing hygge at home, or we are hygge-ing at home. So hopefully that gives a bit of context to how you can use this word hyggeily yourself. So thank you so much again to Karim and Almost Finns for introducing us this new word for the week. Before I end here, I just quickly wanted to give a shout out to this week's Super Thanksgiver. Thanksgiver, that sounds like Thanksgiving. I really appreciate your support, so thank you so much for being so generous. I guess that just about concludes this video. Kiitos paljon and moikka!